Hi everyone, this is Captain Emily from CFF Cousin Family and Friends. Bago ang lahat, nais ko pong pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga bumati sa aking kaarawan at sa gumawa nitong video na ito na inyong pinagsama-sama at inyong pinagpuyatan at pinagpaguran. Especially unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa aking co-captain, boss, co-captain ng aking CFF Cousin Family and Friends na nag-organize nitong paggawa ng video, and sa gumawa ng video rin na si Sweet Queen ng SMSI MRG, co-founder ng SMSI. Nagpapasalamat ako especially sa MRG ng captain na si Kuya Rolly Alcunga, si Mama Louie ng From Dude, sa inyong lahat-lahat ng mga bumati sa akin, ang nag-host na si Jaja, sa lahat-lahat ng mga naandun sa video, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat. Especially, una sa lahat, masaya ako sa ginawa ninyo dahil hindi ko akalain na nagsama-sama kayong lahat at pinagsama-sama rin ang video na ito na para lang maging memorable sa atin, especially sa aking kaarawan, diba? Ayan, thank you at sinurpresa nyo ako dahil hindi ko akalain na kayo ay magsasama-sama na gumawa ng video ito para sa akin. Ayan, thank you everyone, and at sa pag-support ng cover ng Supernova, ayan, at ang pagtutulungan, ayan, thank you everyone. Kung hindi sa atin, hindi rin tayo mabubuo, hindi rin magkakaroon ng unity at ang samahan ng ating SMSI, ang samahan ng CFF, ang samahan ng mga family, ng kanya-kanyang mga family. Ayan, thank you guys, maraming salamat, at ito po ay lubos na taos-puso ko pong pinasasalamatan sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat and God bless you all. Ayan, love you all.
Hi mommy, many happy returns of the day to you. Always stay happy, stay blessed, and always stay healthy. And that's it from my side, from Jim Potpot. Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, Mommy Emily, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is all the best na, and ingat ka palagi. Yan, more blessings and enjoy your day, Mommy. Happy birthday. I love you so much, Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Enjoy your day. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy 16th birthday. Ano ba? Siyempre, I wish you all the happiness in life. And of course, good health lagi. And many more birthday to come. Thank you for coming into our lives. And thank you so much. Salamat sa pagiging mommy sa amin. Online man or in person, syempre. And of course, I would like to say thank you for being there for us. And buti na dumating ka sa buhay namin. And I just want you to know na may nagmamahal sa'yo. Andito kami lahat ng mga CFF. May pumasok na ewan dun sa mata ko, Mami. Ayun. Asan na yung ilong ko? Ayun, ayan. Nawawala yung effects. Wait lang. Ayan. I just want you to know na nandito lang kami lagi, na mahal ka, and huwag kang palagi malungkot. Andito lang kami para pasiyahin ka, and always remember na I will be for you anytime na kailangan mo, and hindi ka nang iiwan, syempre. And I love you. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayon. Ayan. Happy birthday. Mwah. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Enjoy your day po. Pasensya na kung lagi akong absent. Magiging okay din yan. Kayong mag-alala sa akin, okay rin lang ako. Love you. Mwah. Enjoy your day, miss.
Hello, Captain Emily. Unang-una po, I just want to welcome you to the 20% discount club on your debut. So, yan po ang aming nanay, the most beautiful and the most matulungin na captain ng nanay ng CFF. So, on your birthday, we wish you the best. Enjoy your day. And sana po yung mga wishes mo will make a dream come true to you. Lalong-lalo na po yung happiness ng family. And yung togetherness ng CFF. So, nagpapasalamat po kami sa iyo sa pagiging masinop mo na captain and very supportive sa mga members. Kahit hindi member ng CFF, napapasaya mo. So, kaya po, binibigyan ka ng maraming blessing ng ating Panginoon. So, thank you so much, Captain, for your support and love, lalong-lalo na po sa amin na mga members ng CFF. So, for that, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the luck and happiness. Stay beautiful. Yan po ang aming captain. Mabait, matulungin. Huwag mo lang galitin. So, yan po. I just want to greet you again. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Captain Emily. Love you, Captain.
Hello, Ate Emily. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday to you. So, thank you for being our second mother dito sa Star Maker. And also, I hope you enjoy your day. More blessings and good health. And also, salamat po sa lahat ng help sa amin, sa family, personal man, or dito sa CFF family. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Kap, happy birthday. Ito na naman yung sasabihin ko. Abuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy 60th birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mom. I hope you're having a very splendid day, and happy 60th birthday. It is your big mark, your final 60th. I'm pretty sure you're a senior citizen, but happy birthday, Mom. I love you, and have a splendid day, and I hope you have an enjoyable day today, and you probably receive a lot of gifts. Bye-bye.
Ate, happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday once again. It's your 60th year. Senior ka na, ate. 20% discount na. Hindi mo makailangan yung 20% discount. I love you, ate. Happy birthday. My wish for you is your happiness and good health always, ate. Sana lagi kang ligtas at lagi kang masaya. Bawas stress, ate, para humaba pa yung buhay natin. Sana makapunta sa iyong kaarawan, ate. I love you. Hello, CFF. Sorry Sorry for everything. Pasensya na. I love you all, guys. Hello. Bye. Thank you.
Hello po, Captain Emily. Happy 60th birthday po. I know that you are a wonderful person, and I hope that your special day is the beginning of another amazing year that comes in your life. Ingat po palagi and enjoy your day. May you have many more birthdays to come, and may God bless you more. Thank you so much, and pasensya na din at sorry kung hindi na ako pumapasok ng PR, but papasok pa naman ako pag may time. Thank you so much po. Ingat po. And enjoy your day. God bless. I love you.
Hi, Ate Emily. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi ko ma-imagine na 60 ka na. Pero at least you're still looking good. Stay healthy. Wish ko sa'yo na lagi kang healthy, laging masaya, laging mabait. Lagi namang mabait. So, hope to see you soon. Na-message kita kung kailan ako uwi para makikita ulit tayo, ate. So, enjoy your 60th birthday. Hope may bonggang-bonggang celebration sa Pilipinas. At sana lagi kang masaya. Andito lang ako para sa iyo. Happy birthday, ate. Mawa. Chup, chup, chup.
Abay po, happy birthday. Andito na naman tayo sa kaarawan mo. Kakain na naman ako ng spaghetti pababa. Kumusta ka na po? Tagal-tagal na tayong hindi nagkita. Magkita naman sana tayo ulit, apo. Yung bang magkainan tayo ng mga spaghetti pababa. Ayan na po, wish ko sa iyo, sana maging masaya ka lagi. Yung pamilya mo, good health, at ikaw din, apo. Sana yun, sana hindi lagi kang maging masaya. Iwas sa stress, apo, kasi tingnan mo ako, umiiwas na sa stress. Ayan, di ba? Bumabata. Wala na kasi, tuhod na lang yung nanginginig ko, apo. Kasi wala nang stress. Ay, salamat, apo. Ay, lagi kang mag-iingat at yun lang, enjoy sa kaarawan mo, apo. God bless. Ay, salamat.
Madam. Nag-greet na una si Lolo, pasaway si Lolo. Yan lang po. Happy birthday po ulit. Sana po magkita po tayo ulit ni Lolo. Happy birthday ulit po. Ingat lagi. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Mommy. I wish you good health. Stay safe po. And God bless po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our dearest captain, Mommy. I wish you a good day. And thank you for bringing us of joy, and also thank you for you have done to us. And once again, happy birthday, Mommy, Captain. I love you. Ingat ka po palagi.
Hi, Mommy. Happy 60th birthday po. Wish ko lang po, sana po lahat ng wishes mo po magkatotoo. Lagi ka lang po masaya, healthy, saka stress-free, magpakit na. Happy birthday ko.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. And I wish you all the best in life. A good health as well. And happy birthday again. Love you, Mami.
Hi, Mami. Happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Sana po maba pa ang buhay niyo at good health po sa inyo. At maraming salamat dahil patuloy po kayong nandyan lagi sa PR. Sana po marami pa kayong taong matulungan. God bless po sa inyo, Mami. Ingat po kayo lagi. And happy 68th birthday. I miss you, Mami.
Hello, Mommy Emily. It's Bernard. Happy 60th birthday to you. I wish for you more blessings and good health to come. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami Emily. Salamat po at nakilala ko po kayo sa FAM. Idol ko po kayo, Mami. Magaling po kayo kumanta at saka gusto ko po yung boses niyo. So, salamat po at laging masaya sa FAM at nandiyan ka palagi sa amin support. And happy birthday, Mami. More blessings to come. Wish ko all the best. Always good health, Mami. Thank you so much. God bless po and your family.
Hi, Madam. Happy birthday po. Wish ko good health, more blessing, and more birthdays to come. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat. Enjoy your day. Miss you, Madam. Love you. Miss you, CFE family. Happy birthday ulit, Madam.
Hello, good morning everyone. Hello, Susie Cat. Happy 60th anniversary. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hello, Mami Cap, Emily. Greet lang po ako ng happy 60th birthday. May your special day be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Stay generous po, healthy, and always masayahin. You continue to inspire us with your kindness and positivity. To all CFF family, cheers for more years. To our Captain, Mami Cap, Emily. Happy birthday!
Hi, Captain Emily. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come. God bless you always. I love you. I miss you. Ingat ka lagi and have a good health always. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you sa lahat. I love you. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday, Sky. Where are you going? Happy birthday, eh? Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. So, ginawa po namin tong video ito para po sa ating napakabait, napakasipag, napaka-maunawain at napaka-matulungin na kumaring Emily, Captain Emily Derry. Happy birthday, Mare, at sana humaba pa ang buhay mo hanggang gusto mo. So, in behalf of MRG SMSI Group at MRG SMSI Music Academy, pinapaabot namin lahat ang maligayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. So, sabi nga nila, 1 minute video lang. 47 seconds na lang. Malapit na po. So, yun na lang. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, yung kumari ko ay kasama ko na sa Kibeni sa Turno. Kumari po yan dahil inaanak niya ang aking pangalan na si Tiffany. So, dito kami nagkasama sa Hong Kong bilang singer at ako musician. So, diyan po naging makuha ng aming pagiging kaibigan, magkapatid. at magkasama sa musika. So once again, 1 minute and 25 seconds na lang. So happy birthday once again, and may you have many more birthdays to come. Regards to everyone. Goodbye.
Isang magandang araw po. Ako po si Kapatid Amy, Panginoon sa Yaximo. Siyempre po isa sa organizer ng ating SMSI. Yan, gusto ko lang pong batiin ng ating Captain Emily Derry. Masayang kaarawan. Happy birthday po sa inyo, ma'am. Ako po personally ay nagpapasalamat po sa lahat ng inyong tulong, lalong-lalo na sa SMSI at lalong-lalo na po noong time na nag-birthday yung ating idol si Queen. Alam ko po na ramdam ko na nag-extend ko tayo ng help at support sa pagbuo ng video at ako po ito is nagpapasalamat po. Hindi po tayo ganun ka-close pero lagi ko po yung nakikita at napapansin. Kaya po yung tao para sa ako ay napaka-supportive sa inyong family mo sa CFF. Alam ko po na yung pagbibigay mo ng time mo sa amin at sa pag-allow sa ating pag-up na yet at saka po sa ating kapatid na si Maria, lalo kapag may event sa MRT SMSI. Yung presence niyo po ay ramdam na ramdam ng grupo at ramdam na ramdam po. Kitang-kita ko naman po sa inyo na hindi lang kayo mahusay na senior, kundi mahusay din po kayo makisama. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako na nakita ko at nakilala ko po kayo kahit hindi pa po tayo ganun ka-close, pero ramdam na ramdam ko po yung support niyo sa inyong family at sa ating grupo. Kaya ang wish ko po sa inyong kaarawan, dear Captain Emily, ay lalo pa kayo maging maganda, maging masaya sa buhay, good health, long life, more blessings of course, and more friends to come. At talagang hindi naman po kayo mahirap mahalin at hindi naman po kayo mahirap makasama dahil talagang napaka-supportive nito. Kaya sana ho maging maligaya kayo sa inyong kaarawan at sana mabuhay po kayo hanggang gusto niyo. Again, happy birthday po sa ating isang Captain Emily Derry, ang isa sa advisor ng ating SMSI. Mabuhay po kayo palagi at maging masaya po kayo palagi. This is for Captain Emily from MRG. I would like to say I love you, Ma'am Captain Emily Derry, at sana po ay lagi namin kayo makasama. God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Cap Emily. This is Live Love Life from Music Hills Family. Wishing you all the best that life has to offer. Isa po kayo sa mga captains dito sa Star Maker na hinahangaan ko po kasi napaka-down to earth niyo po. Selfless po kayo. Tsaka prangka. Tsaka yung pagmamahal niyo po sa family is hindi lang po dito sa SM pati sa totoong buhay po is a good mother po kayo sa kanila. Napaka-mother niyo. Kaya hinahangaan ko po kayo. Keep up the good work po. Sana po basbasan pa po kayo ng ating po may kapal ng marami at mas mahaba pa pong buhay, healthy life. And just continue on being yourself po. God bless you always as you continue to be a blessing to others. Many more to come. Happy birthday to you po. God bless you always.
Hello, Cap. Happy 60th birthday to a very extraordinary captain of the CFF family. Ayan. I just want to wish you all the happiness in the world. I know na ang pinaka-ultimate wish mo is makasama mo yung buong family, including your children, during your special day. And I really hope mangyari yun. And I want to take this opportunity to thank you for accepting me as a friend of CFF. Yan, hindi lang ikaw kundi sa lahat ng CFF fam, kasi hindi nyo pinaramdam sa akin na out of place ako sa PR nyo every time na pumapasok ako doon para maki-OB. Ayan, dyan ako nag-start maki-OB sa CFF kasi naman pag nag-OB ang captain, boom, panis. Ayan, so thank you so much, Cap, sa support sa akin kapag may event. Talagang kapag may time ka, magsusupport ka, even if hindi ko naman hinihingi, pero sobrang appreciate ko po yung support niyo sa akin. Hindi lang ikaw, kundi yung iba pang members ng CFF fam na tinuring din akong friend ng family niyo. Ayan, so thank you so much, thank you, and happy birthday. I wish you all the happiness, longer life, happy life, healthy life. Ayan. So, thank you so much for this opportunity na mapasama ako sa mga babati sa'yo kahit natakot ako sa video. Honestly. Kaya hindi ako gumagawa madalas ng covers na may video. Ayan. So, thank you, Cap, and happy birthday, and enjoy it. I hope, I really do hope makasama mo ang buong family mo. Thank you, Cap. Love you.
At sa napaka-importanting tao na nakilala ko sa Star Maker, who shared her unconditional support, her friendship, her love, her compassion to others, a very kind person, Cap Emily. I'm wishing you good health, happiness, a blessing, prosperity and abundance in life. Thank you, Cap Emily, for you are a blessing to us. Happy birthday po. God bless you always. And keep inspiring us because that is your strength.
Ems, happy birthday. Musta ka na? Wish you more birthdays to enjoy, my dear. Wala na akong balita sa'yo eh. Nasa Manila ako ngayon. Baka gusto mong bumaba dito. Magkita naman tayo. Okay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday, dear.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Emily. I wish you all the best in your life. Good health, long life, and happiness in your life. Thank you for accepting me and trusting me and helping me. Happy birthday. Love you.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Please, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.